So, I don't know where to start, but I guess I start from the time. Right now is 2 in the night, and I'm pretty nervous because I never made an unpacking video of a doll before, and today I had a really bad news, like terrible news. I still don't know if it's gonna affect me a lot or not, but the same day, so today, I received from mail this little girl. I had reissue of this doll, like the latest one, with the most simplest box, without doll stand, without hairbrush, without anything, without accessories, but with a second face mold. But I actually left her at my parents' house, and right now where I live in Tokyo, Japan, I didn't have her, and I actually started to miss this actual doll, and I found her on the local personal markets place, and yeah, I decided to bought her because she was actually pretty cheap for what she is, because she's a very first edition of the series Hood doll from After High Cerise. She is like super rarest from them. I guess the most rarest is the Comic Con version that I don't own actually. Maybe someday. She's like, I don't know, enormously expensive right now, and by the time she was like around $100, I actually had no idea about Ever After High and had no interest in this kind of dolls. I kind of like came into this place a little bit late, so for me it's kind of challenging to find all the dolls that I actually want. Luckily I have, I guess, all of the dolls I want, but with series, in this case it's, I guess, the hardest, and I guess it took me 2 years before I got this one, because like 2 years ago, something like this, I bought this like very cheapest one and the simplest one re-edition of the original doll, and I actually loved the second face mold the most. But I don't know, somehow suddenly 2 years later, when I found her on these markets, and I don't know, I was considering to buy her for like 4 days. I was looking through the pictures on Flickr and comparing two of these molds. I also was browsing through the doll forum, which is kind of like local Russian forum, where I like got the most of the information when I was just a little newbie in the hobby, in the doll hobby. So for me it's like two main platforms to compare the dolls, compare the issues, whatever the line is. I don't know, for example, like Monster High or Philip, or I don't know, wherever. And it was hard, it was tough to decide, do I really want her? I don't know how to like place her right now. Just, you can see her face. Yeah, I'm sorry for the bad lighting, because I said in the beginning that it's so late right now, and I guess I'll be over with this like kind of conversation part. But I don't know, I saw some unboxing review videos, and all of them are like, here is a box, blah blah, here is a doll, blah blah, here we have like this I don't know, story of the doll or not story, and where she made from. Like, it's important information for some reason. Like, I like to know where the doll made from. Like, here is, she's made in Indonesia. I guess you can see it like here. But the main problem is, I don't know, like in late years, all this kind forum experience with like communities, they're dead. I don't know, they're completely dead. People are not communicating in the doll hobby on the forums like they did before, like 5 years ago, 10 years ago. And for me, this hobby is also about a conversation. And like, I know that right now the Instagram is kind of like popping for our hobby, but I just don't dig it. It's not my cup of tea. Like, and for me, I decided I want to make like a diary, but the video diary, for why not? And yeah, I'm sorry if I'm smashing my nails on the box, because like I'm really nervous. It's my first time to film a video, and English is not my native language, as you can see, I guess. So and right now I'm mostly using Japanese in my daily life, so it's pretty hard, but I will try my best. This is also the reason to make a video diary about me and dolls. Like, why not to just, you know, to exercise my language. So enough with the pre-story. Like, you know, I will add some bits, like some spice, because I really wanted to open her right now, and I really didn't want to miss any single part of it, because it's kind of a special doll for me, as I already said. And like, I don't know, I feel so sad today. The news that I got, they're terrible, and maybe they will affect my health, which is already bad. Nah. So yeah, I really wanted to open her right now, like today, the day I got her, and I don't care that this is the middle of the night right now. I just want to open her and share this experience with anyone who will watch this video. So yeah, let's start. So for the first thing, as I said before, she's a first edition, but I think not like the first, because maybe in this line she was not like issued with the like first signature dolls from Ever After High, because I remember that with the first like very first editions, they didn't have this keyhole, so people were throwing these boxes off without knowing that here the doll stand was hiding. And I guess she is like from the second lines where the new characters was presented, so I guess is this line. But from I know, she is the first edition of this particular character, Cerise Hood. And I really like this doll because she has something in her like that makes her stands out from other Ever After High. Another doll like this from the line is oh my god, Cedarwood. Actually, she is my like most favorite from the Ever After High line, because she's kind of resembles with like most Monster High, because she has textured wooden like body, and even her face mold has like a little wooden marks, and I don't know, it's kind of special doll. And Cerise, she's kind of on the normal side compared to cedar wood, but still, she is my favorite, except cedar wood, because with the cedar wood, I guess I got all the dolls, all the issues, except the Comic Con one, obviously also because of the price, and it's actually hard to storage this box because she's like the puppet doll. So yeah, but whatever, let's back to Cerise. I think I should show her closely. Like, I don't know, her face is just so pretty with this grayish eyes and these golden marks on her lips, which is questionable for me, but I don't know, maybe I will do something with her later, because maybe when I'll unbox her, these golden dots will not suit her in my mind, but whatever. So I don't know where to place my head actually. So yeah. So let's check out her outfit closely. And yeah, the back of her board is, I don't know, it's a masterpiece with all these arts. Look how good these boxes were, like seriously. Yeah. And what can I tell about her? Like, everybody who collects the Ever After High dolls, they know that they have this story book with them, and like, it's a bummer because with my first Cerise Hood that I bought, I didn't get anything. Like, the small cardboard card, like, meh, because here we have like kind of diary thing and all like things that she likes and things that she hates. They're also published here. I know that you can find all of these things on the internet, so maybe I shouldn't read them out loud because, you know, I'm still a little bit shy of my English, so I won't do this right now. Sorry. I guess later, maybe someday. Yeah, and actually there's the other characters here, and because there is a Raven Queen, I actually was questioning if she was in the first line or she was in the second lines where the new characters was presented. I don't know, because like obviously she has a keyhole, so I guess she's not there like from the first line. Yes. So here's the box. It's in a nice burgundy color, I guess. And yeah, I guess it's time to unbox her. So she was made in 2013, and right now it's 2020, so it's been 7 years she's been locked. And actually the box is in amazing condition. If I was the collector who keeps her dolls in boxes, this is like the grail, I guess. But I like to tear these boxes, and I like to cuddle the dolls and play with them and maybe makeover them and change their clothes. Like, for me, it's all about the fun I can have with dolls. And yeah, of course I have some dolls in boxes, but just because I also have unboxed dolls. So here is a Catherine Demey, and a story with her was kind of sad because my first one, she suffered from the huge glue seepage from her head. I was trying to fix this, but it was terrible. Glue made her face yellow, like all of the forehead and a little bit on the nose, and it was terrible, and I was crying because she's one of my favorite characters from Monster High, and it was really sad. And my mom actually bought me a new one, so because it's a present from my mom, and because I don't want another Catherine Deneuve ruined, I just prefer to store her in her box forever. And another one, yeah, she's unboxed, and maybe someday I will make a custom on her, who knows. So yeah, let's open this box. I don't know for how long I'm filming right now because I lost time count, but who cares? It's a diary. Well, actually, yeah, if the box is weak, you can easily squish it by your hands and just take it off, but I obviously can't. Oh no, I did it just with 2 hands. I don't like to cut things if I can open it naturally, but oh my god, so tough. Like seriously, I'm feeling like I'm ruining someone's grail. I'm so sorry, because I just want to play with her. And because she's made in Indonesia, like almost all dolls from Monster High and Never After High lines made in Indonesia, they suffer from huge glue seepage from their head and their hair damaging. So I actually want to know this before something terrible happens, and it's already been 7 years she's in box. I don't know how to open this. I did it. So yeah, let's take off. Oh no. Okay. Yay, she's so beautiful. I know that the print on their faces, it differs, and with some print, when it's just like lower, her face looks really blotted, and I guess I'm lucky because I bought her just based on one single picture. I had no idea that she will came in such a perfect condition. So yay, I will cut her right now. No, not her. Okay, third. Okay, yeah, I did it. So yeah, she's also have a bracelet and the ring, which I didn't have in my budget version, like the late years edition. I don't know why they started to make them so cheap. It's like I really like the doll that I got first, but the lack of accessories, no doll stand, no hairbrush, no storybook, it was just sad. Oh my goodness. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Oh no. Ah, it's so sticky. Yeah. I read about this, and I actually hope that I will be lucky, but with Indonesia you're never lucky. You're never lucky with Indonesia. Why? Why so much glue? It's just unfair. Such a beautiful doll, such a gorgeous hair, and they're already sticky. Okay. No? Oh my gosh. Cape attached so hard. So many plasticky things. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it. So yeah. Well, but her joints in a great shape. Like I knew what they say when they say that the Indonesian dolls have better. Whoa, they had better joints. So the main difference between her and my edition is like it's huge, except the face. Like the first thing, the leggings. These are made from some fabric, and they also got another layer on them, and it feels like it's stockings. So it has like a leather type-ish material and the stockings type over it, like a nylon type net, which is like, I don't know if you can see. Okay, but yeah, in this very first edition, even the leggings are much more interesting and better quality made, which in my case there were just plain regular legging type without any nylon over it. The boots are like soft brown, chocolatey brown, like milk chocolate color with painted belts, but in my other doll they are not painted, and the color of boots are like dark chocolate color. Other thing is the cape. It's actually kind of made the same with the same type, with this net, but I don't know how to explain, but the hood is bigger on this one. Also, it has this plasticky thing which kinda makes the shape, but I will remove it anyways. But about the seepage, do you see this? It's all came from her head, and as I read on the forum, it's actually was like from the start. So when these dolls actually came to stores in 2013, people are started to receive them or buy them in stores, and already from the start they already had this oily spots, and this one is huge. But the hair is in a great condition. They are not leaky or sticky. I don't know, maybe it's because of the styling. I don't know. I need to remove her cape to know the truth, I guess. And also the layer of the skirt. In here we have a net, and it's kind of hardened net, but in the latest edition it's just soft net, and I guess there was lower in the volume and just cheaply made. Yeah, but in the other things it looks kind of the same, the outfit. So I also had this belt, and I think it also was painted on, and this thing is just like made from silverish plastic, so it's okay. So let's take off her hood. I'm really interested what's wrong with her hair. Oh, I need to make another cut. You see, I don't know why Mattel loves this thing so much. I remember when I was opening my first Barbie, she already had this, and it was, oh my god, I cut the hood. I don't know how to cut this, and Okay, I can fix this. But seriously. Okay, I guess I did it. Oh, there's even a big hole because of this plastic thing. Yeah. Well, yeah, I cut this here, but whatever, it's close to this. It's close to the seam, so I can just fix it easily. So, oh my god. First of all, she has some strange, I know you can see it. Oh my god. Yeah, here. Some strange white things straight under the hood. And they're kind of sticky. Oh my gosh, there's more of them. I don't know how to show it. Oh yeah, you know what? It looks like it was kind of some rubbery thing, or I don't know, but it's disgusting. Seriously. Oh my god! Like here, the hair is amazing. They're like soft and like easy to brush, but here, just look at this. It's super gluey and gooey. I don't know how to explain it. Sticky. I guess here you will see it better. Yeah. Yeah. This is how it is. You see? Yeah. Poor thing. I guess I will try to wash this off, and if it's not helps. Oh my god. Oh, why did I do this? I just lift her hair up and this is what happened. That's why you need to take them out of the box. Like, I don't know how to show this. Like, you see? Like this, what the hell is this? Like, what? And it also in some like white glue or, oh Jesus, sweet Jesus. No, I need to show this. Here, you see? It's just a huge chunk of glue. Oh yeah, finally. Here. And chunks of glue, like already dried out, was like here. Maybe because of the transportation, but here. Well, I guess you can see it all. Oh my god, I'm so frustrated. Mattel quality is like, it's just something. I have no cute and good words for it. Like, what the hell? Like, what is it? It's a chunk of glue and a chunk of hair. Like, poor doll. I just really wanted to make this, and this just came out. Damn. Oh, it's also hard to turn her head because it's also covered in glue. And it's really hot in Japan right now, so no wonder it just like it was leaking like every summer since 2013, like for 7 years. But it's still fine with her forehead. It's not yellow. Thank God she's not light-skinned. Guess it's all you wanted to know about her. Right from the box. I guess I'll show her accessories. So here's the hood, which I actually don't know if I'll use it. I'm not so afraid that I caught it, because you see, and as I actually read in the internet, you can't fix this problem. Because if you try something like mixer for oil paints, which actually helps with gooey hair, it doesn't help with this, because all the paint will also wash out. So I guess the only thing I can do is just throw this. Oh my god! See? See? It's all covered in glue. All. Like, not only the hood, but like the cape also. So yeah, I guess I need to throw this out, because it's not healthy to have this around you. So here is her box. Not the box, the basket bag. Well, it's actually cute. And with the one that I had, the handle was the same color as the box, and it was darker colors, and it actually didn't have this print on, but I don't know, this print doesn't look good actually. And they also have, you see here, the red paint licks, so not a fan of this accessory. Also, we have the brush and the book and the doll stand. I don't know if I want to open her, because like, who cares, it's just a regular After High doll stand. I guess it's kind of black color, or maybe silver at least. So yeah, I'm super sad, but for some reason it's okay, because in this case I have all the permission to do her makeover, and I guess maybe root her hair. I don't know what to do with this glue. If you have any ideas how to fix this without rooting her, or I don't know, cast a spell, whatever, to make her hair looks better, because like, just look at this, just look at this chunk of glue. It just meh. I don't know. I'm super happy with her, but I'm super unhappy with this glue situation. Yeah. But the doll is gorgeous, so I really want to make her beautiful. Not with this. But she's still cute, and I guess I already love her, because she's nice. I never thought that I will like the first edition, because she's kind of like ate something and looks a little bit chubby with such a slim body. But no. But why we can't have a nice things? Why glue? Okay, I guess it's all for today. It was my first doll diary entry. Okay, I'll try my best next time. Thank you.